No, it's okay. There's some stuff inside. So.
It was not our first time to participate in that championship. We have been going through on and off, so it is a good experience because we have experience. We usually goes for is the club championship, and we have dominated the cup for almost six years. So, and the company has really sponsored us. That has really helped us to keep pushing. And personally, I've in gym has really helped me, and watching some games for Europe and these top clubs has really helped me a lot.
Here, of course, we have the Super Cup that is ahead of us, and we've already started training, and we believe that we are going to defend our title because we were the champs last season, and we would wish that we repeat the same character. Yes.